So guys, I will explain what happened, why it happened like this. So one of my sister in Facebook asking, please tell me brother why it happened like this. So guys, this is comparison. This is not like why it's negative, because the comparison of the last 28 days and the previous 28 days. The previous 28 days and the last 28 days. So the last 28 days, that's the current result of your dashboard. So for example, why it happened negative 62%. So it means your previous 28 days is 185, you achieved the star, and the last 28 days you got only 70 star. So it means negative 62%. You did not achieve the 185 or higher. 185, you achieved only the last 28 days 70 star. So it means negative 62%. So that's comparison. So don't think that Facebook reduce your star. No, it's not like that. It's comparison only, guys. If they will compare the previous 28 days and last 28 days, and this is the result. Your previous, you got 185 star, and the last 28 days, the current one, you got only 70 star. So this is the explanation, okay? So guys, if you like my video, don't forget to follow, like, and share. Thank you so much, and have a nice day.